Hello, babe.
Show up.
Mi ò wá pa o.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Mi ò rọrùn sùn. Ṣé mo kàn rí lórí bed? In fact, mi ò ní appetite.
But why?
Don't ask me why. Ben, I am lonely. I don't think I can wait till this weekend though.
Mi ò lérò pé weekend yìí máa possible. But likely you should extend the month end.
I won't allow that in Jesus' name. Ben, that's weekend. Ola ló máa pé 27 days 30 fèmí ní kọ́kàlẹ̀ nínú ilé yìí. Why are you doing this to me, Ben? We just got married and
I understand.
Babe, you don't understand. You can't understand how I am feeling.
Please, can we discuss this later? I have an urgent report I have to submit now. I mean right now. Love you.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ náà? Báwo ni?
Ṣẹ́gun, I'm fine. Shego, please get serious. I'm not in for your joke this morning. What do you need? Mo ko wo lo nkan lekun bayin.
Báwo ló ṣe mọ̀ pé mi mò ń kọ́lẹ̀ o?
Ìwọ nìkan ni the only clown ta ní office here, of course.
Ṣé mo lo wig sórí ni? Àbí mo kún?
Get serious.
Okay.
What do you need?
Okay, fine. Yeah, okay. Lórí board meeting tá a ṣe lánàá, àwọn company méjì tó wá látọ̀ṣun yẹn, fine. Wọ́n hand over project yẹn fún wa. However, our conditions wọn yẹn, kò wá favourable at all. Like, can you imagine? Báwo la ṣe lè ṣòwò ká má jèrè? In short, agreement yẹn lè work. So later, Asaba decide pé, hello, Dami. Dami. Hey.
Sorry.
Ó mọ̀mọ̀ ṣàárọ̀, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ náà?
Kí ló wí náà? Mi gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ. Kí ló sọ?
Tó mo ti notice, ìgbà tó ti dọ́fíìsì ó wà moody. Kí ló ń ṣe?
Ṣẹ́gun, mo wà okay.
Ó wà okay. Ẹ ò ta o, bí a kò wá nǹkan bí ìzọ.
Ṣẹ́gun, I said I'm fine.
You are fine. Yes. Èmi ti débi tí màá sùn lé. Ó ní kí ló ní mẹ́rin. If you don't tell me what your problem is, I'm ready to stay here till daybreak.
Okay. Mi ò tí jẹ breakfast. Ebi ń pa mí.
Breakfast. Omi epo ò tí jẹ breakfast látàárọ̀.
Ṣẹ́gun, mi tí jẹ breakfast kan tó ń ṣe mí nìyẹn.
Wow. Breakfast. I have an idea. I know the perfect solution to your problem.
Tèmi.
Yes.
Ṣé bí a week leave lẹ́ni? Kí tún ní gbogbo ilé?
Má bínú sí mi díẹ̀. Àwọn pípín yóò ní fi mí lọ́rùn sílẹ̀.
If you are not around, this work will surely continue. You need to rest. Èmi sọ tèmi o.
Don't worry. Mo ti fẹ́ parí nǹkan tí mo ń ṣe.
Mi ti fẹ́ lọ sùn, ó ti ń kùn mí. I hope you join me soon. Mi fẹ́ lọ sùn.
Alright, I'll join you. Yes. I'm working on it. In fact, I'm almost done. Yes. Yes, I will send the report to you as soon as possible. I'm rounding up. Yes. I'm rounding up now, sir. I will send it to you. Alright, bye. Yes, sir.
Babe, don't you think you should take a break?
I'm rounding up.
You said that earlier now. Let's go to bed.
Babe, please let's do this later, eh? You are distracting me.
Overwork yourself. Let's go.
Please. I'm rounding up. I'll join you in the bedroom. That's it, baby. I will join you.
Yeah, you know I'm doing this because of you.
Yes.
You'll just be having a dick every time.
I'll join you. That's my love. Honey.
Yeah.
Honey.
Oh, really?
I have a gift for you.
Really? What's your voice? What's your voice? Why did you say that before? Okay, what is it?
Take this. I want you to change your wardrobe and do some other shopping. In case the one you're about to check him out.
Are you serious?
I will add more to it. And finally, I will be traveling to Lagos tomorrow after my flight.
I don't know. So, this supposed to be a prank?
No. Funny enough, mo ti kọ check yẹn lẹ́tí pé call yẹn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wọlé fún mi ni. Kò dẹ̀ síbí mo ṣe lè yẹ. There's no way I can do it. I have to travel tomorrow.
I can't do this anymore. I'm tired. What is this?
Babe. I'll sort it out in the room.
Yes, Tanya.
Olùṣọ́ àgùntàn ni o.
Olùṣọ́ àgùntàn. Ṣẹ́gun, what are you doing here?
Can I at least come in?
Anyway, sure.
Thank you.
Ìgbà wo ló di olùṣọ́ àgùntàn?
Mo get it, àbí?
Ìwọ àti àwọn àwàdà yìí ṣáá ló get me.
Actually, I was just passing by. Ẹ mo wò pé onídàáká kọjá níwájú ilé ọba ká má yà kí ọba.
Anyway, that's nice of you. Oshe, thank you so much. So, kí ni kí n offer ẹ?
Wo gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ti nílé ni.
Gbogbo nǹkan bíi ti báwo? O sọ kan tó bá fẹ́ ni máa fún ẹ náà. Anyway, jẹ́ kí sáré parí nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe mò ń bọ̀. Feel at home, please.
Ó ti wá di ọkùnrin báyìí.
Ìtumọ̀.
I mean, ìwọ nìkan nínú ilé. I can now see the reason why you always feel somehow whenever you come to the office. It's really difficult to know that you are married. I mean, you look single.
Yes, I am.
Are you serious?
My man is always out there. Hunting for contract and money. To bow all around. Cause see difference. Oh, Ṣẹ́gun ti adapt. Ti mọ́ mi lára already.
See, I understand you perfectly. I want you to know that you are too young and beautiful for that. If you need any man to talk to, I'm always there. Wo, mo ní gbogbo àyè fún ẹ, Dami. I will make you happy always. I mean, you can't deny it. You can't deny it now that I have feelings for you, Dami. Dami, I can feel this gap. I love you, Dami. I love you. And I've waited for a long time just to tell you this. I love you, Dami. I love you. Get out of my house! Get out! I'm sorry.
Hello, Queen. Are you alright?
Don't ask me again. I'm not okay. But I need you right now.
I'm sorry. I can't come right away. Should I send some money to your account?
I don't need any of your men. I don't need your money. Ben, I need you right now. If you want me alive, come home now.
Oh my God. Okay, please just hold on for me. I'll be on my way right now. Please just hold on. Hello, Queen. Hey, my gosh.